And this is why you can't trust the internet.
Paris Hilton commented like 3 hearts.
It's fake.
Hey guys, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Gabby.
And today we're bringing back another DIY challenge, but not just any DIY challenge. We're going to be tricking our followers on Instagram. So it's been about 8 months since our last video like this, and we did also mention how in the past DIYs were making us bored, so we took a really well-needed break away from the DIYs, so we thought it would be the perfect time to prank you guys when you're least expecting it. Here's the deal. We're each going to create one summer clothing item and accessory using only crafts from Hobby Lobby. After we're done making our outfits, we're going to obviously take our Instagram photos, post them, and then wait to see if you guys catch on. The goal is to make the items look as real as possible so that you guys don't suspect a thing. Luckily, summer 2021 trends actually look homemade. We got the crochet, mesh, thrown together, Y2K vibes. I think this is in our favor. We think there's no way that we're not gonna pull this off. I feel like they know you made it. So without further ado, let's go to Hobby Lobby.
Are you ready to DIY? Yes. We haven't been here in forever.
We literally used to dread these videos and now we both are like, let's DIY today.
I'm so excited. I got and look at what Gabby got.
Well, I got some stuff for the new house.
Opposite twins.
So I figured I'm better at accessories. I can't believe I'm saying this because I love fashion. I want to focus more on the accessories because I feel like accessories are more trendy right now. So as far as the top goes, I want to make like a shiny drapey top. And I want to hold up the top with crisscross of this in the back. I got a plain black bag and I kind of just want to like go over this a ton with just yarn and have pieces hanging off, have it frayed, and just look like a little ugly messy knit bag because I feel like that's really cute too. Yeah, all right. Okay, so the first thing that stood out to me was the fact that like this apron already looks like a super 90s or year 2K dress where it's like around the neck and then it ties in the back crisscross. I was thinking like to make a cute little halter dress. And I decided to get matching material to make a flowy like skater skirt around the entire dress. I also got like a bunch of things I could decorate it with because I want to make it look like this dress is from Love Shack Fancy or Sugar Thrills. So Love Shack Fancy makes like super homemade looking bags. So I thought this box bag that says "Here Comes the Bride" could be very Love Shack Fancy. I kind of want to add this bow to the green dress and maybe an underskirt with the hot pink with the little like cherries or flowers on it. Maybe I can play with this pattern on these oven mitts. So without further ado, let's get into this and see what happens.
Center of attention, they all want some. I'm like fire, hot as the sun. The dance floor is burning, call 911. Hands on my body, I'm loving the heat, but it won't come easy. Nothing's for free. If you want me, then prove it, baby.
I did not think it would be this cute. I like it so much I had to finish the back just in case I actually want to use it.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope.
There's like so many likes per minute. Like I'm just freaking out right now. I can't get over this reaction. Hi guys. So I actually just posted the photo. So I tagged Depop because I feel like a lot of everything I wear looks like I made it or that it's thrifted. So I thought I might get away with this bag. And now I'm opening my Instagram app to check the comments. So let's see what I see. Your outfit, the vibe of these pics, the fit. Okay, so far, so good. But I will see after a few days when I regroup with Gabby. We'll catch up with you guys when I regroup with Gabby and we're gonna recap the feedback and see if we actually tricked you guys. Hello. Hi. Let's see if we successfully tricked our followers. First, let's go to our top comments, okay? Oh my god, okay, so some verified accounts commented with heart eyes, fire emojis. Your outfit, the fit, this fit, I'm obsessed. Also guys, sorry about my appearance. I'm in the middle of a move, that's why everything's a mess and I don't have makeup on. I wasn't about to like get ready right now. But yeah, my top comments say the cutest, you're so hot. Paris Hilton commented like 3 hearts. The outfit is so cute. Oh my god, this outfit. Oh, everyone's talking about the outfit. You know what's interesting is even though this was a prank, everybody's talking about our outfits and the vibe. Fans ate up your color palette and they ate up mine, which tells me that we're good at knowing how to make something that you wouldn't see sold in a store because everyone kept commenting on it. I know, the only thing is like, I can't tell if this outfit is so ugly that like the people that love me are trying to like lift up my spirits to like feel better about my outfit. Like I can't tell if it's like that. When I sent this picture to our group chat, I sent it twice to our friends. No one said a thing. And the only person that said something was Rachel. And she was like, is that a wooden bucket or something? Our friends, like when they don't like something, they just go mute. Like they're not honest. They're scared. I have some interesting comments that I screenshotted. They shift from gassing up my purse to saying that my purse looks like I made it myself. I feel like they know you made it. I saw some comments. Someone was like, Nikki, I love you so much. This is actually Source Gabby, one of your fans was like, Nikki, I love you so much, but the bag looks like yarn like glued on. I think they scammed you, bestie. Get your money back, but also maybe it's just me. This is literally yarn glued on a bag. I can't. But then other people were like, okay, the fit, and can we talk about your purse? They're so fire. I personally think my top was so believable, Gabby. I would buy your top. It reminded me of like Paris Hilton's 21st birthday, like top. That was the inspo. I don't know, I feel like a lot of my fashion inspo friends like the picture, so if they approved of it, I think I did a good job. Do you think we successfully tricked our followers?
I knew you guys were filming the video and I thought both of your posts were real. I didn't know.
Colin, did you like mine?
Yeah, I liked yours a lot.
Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. We have our reality show. It's out by now by the time this is out. So be sure to go subscribe to our show. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Hey guys, I'm Nikki. And I'm Gabby.
We're twin sisters that have been making viral YouTube videos since we were 15.
And now we're 25 and our personal dreams are pulling us in separate directions and we argue all the time.
I think you think I'm petty.
The energy between us has become super toxic.
Now we're faced with our biggest obstacle.
Stay with the same thing we've been doing or follow our independent path.
I just took another pregnancy test. I don't know what's going on.
I associate getting close to my dream with a breakup involved.
If I make this, I have to propose tomorrow.
Also, just letting you guys know, my skin looks this good because I've been using the spin brush. All right, let's not be cocky now. I'm just saying that because I'm not wearing any makeup and my skin looks bomb.com.